So I don't know. Okay, guys, so we've got all of this here. Okay, guys, so you can say that I'm just gonna be at all times be doing this, guys. So this is what it looks like. So this is how it's going to look like. Now everybody's asking me, what am I gonna do? Is it? Okay, we're gonna see if this is streaming right now. I just don't know why it doesn't start any stream. Am I live? Okay. So this is it. The problem is, okay, is it streaming or is it not streaming? Okay. So that's the thing. At least I see this, which is super interesting for me. And YouTube should also be working. Okay, guys, if you can listen to me, I hope you're as excited as I am about today's stream because I've got a mic. Everybody complained that my voice is not as proper. So now I've got this. So I'm super excited about it. Today we're gonna have a lot of energy. So today is day 13th stream. I hope you are enjoying it. I've got 1429 different subscribers. We've gone, it's not a million, but it's also nothing, which we're not proud of. We're super proud of it because it takes forever to actually grow your YouTube. And look at this title is always wrong. So yeah, guys, today we're going to build further vibe selling. I hope you're super excited. We're going to make it more entertaining from now onwards because we're getting hold of things, and tomorrow something big is going to happen and I'm going to have better internet and life is just going to become better. So we're just going to go there. I was just looking at my previous streams. I was not as impressed, if I'm being honest, with the quality, but you know, that's the thing. We're just getting there. Okay, guys, so look at this. So I'm making a thumbnail and I want that thumbnail to be really proper, really cool. And look at this, I've got all of this. I think this is excellent. So we're just going to download this, and this is going to be my thumbnail because we want to give the vibe. Also, can you create that? I create an image where it shows that I have 3 screens and I'm working on them, and your view is from the back, and it looks like I'm proper cool hacker. So that's one thing I like about GPT-5. It's got some of the best images which is out there. All of this tech is really good, guys. So now I'm gonna optimize really a lot when it comes to amount of hours that I'm streaming, even because I have to do a lot of admin work, but I'm gonna keep on doing it together. And there's only one more thing that I want to say. Okay, this is it. This is a video that I've got. Imagine I just remove it. I just close it. My goal is just to see if I can actually start. Okay, let's see. I found the legend camera. This is excellent. I've got this here with me. We could just put it a bit down. And what I want to check here, this is one thing that maybe I could check a bit later. But yeah, okay, I'm gonna sort out the background tomorrow. I don't want to make a lot of noise, but I want to see if I can also start making videos about topics while sitting in a stream. That's gonna be really good. And obviously this is the camera which is proper, and for this we are obviously gonna use, what are we gonna use? We're gonna use Osmo Pocket. And I want to say, if I'm streaming and doing all of this, can I also record videos using the same video and camera? So let me just ask ChatGPT first. If ChatGPT decides to work. Okay, can I stream using OBS and create videos at same time using same camera and microphone and using Focusy to record my videos? Is it possible? Because if this is possible, then it's going to be really good. But you know, rather than asking ChatGPT, because we're mostly Back camera and say, just gonna go, should get that back it. Okay, so it's saying sometimes there are certain issues which happen if you go with this path. Also, I realized my camera is not directly connected to something that I wanted to be connected with. So I have to set that up in the setup. And actually, I could even put this here. Then it's even going to look even more cooler. But is it bad for my camera? That's the only thing I do not know about. So we're just, if I keep it, is it good or is it bad? That's something that I do not know. But you know, I've had so many problems and so many mess ups, so I'm not going to see it. But in the test, we're going to know it later. But I could always put it. It's like giving clothing to your microphone. And is there a benefit of having something like this? We do not know. So before we go anywhere, but you can see every day our system is becoming improving. Now I need all of those YouTube fancy lights, and I feel like I could call myself a proper YouTuber. But yeah, I'm missing one. Yeah, I think I found it. I found what I was looking for. So once I fix that, it's going to be good. So that's amazing. And I think my voice right now should be much better than anything that I've had before. But if there's any other issue, we're also going to solve it. We're just here to solve all the problems. And I don't even know if it's streaming on all platforms, but we are hoping it is doing, because that's going to be excellent. And guys, I've got another camera too. So now we're going to also have two cameras. We're going to have internet. We're going to have LAN. I'm going to sit down here always and start streaming. And even if I'm making content for a lot of different people, I need to do it. So that's what's up. We're just gonna start in focus. You select a camera, OBS virtual camera. Oh, you could just start doing it. OBS virtual camera. Set your scene properly. Microphone, use macOS. Can I just know? Oh wow. So I can set up a virtual camera from OBS, and once I've set that up, then I could do it. So if I'm going here, okay, I'm just gonna record it. We're gonna see how it comes, and if it comes moving or clicking your mouse. Okay guys, so I'm making a video here. As you can see, we are talking today about, what are we talking about? We're talking about how to build Vibeselling, which is a platform which we are building. And this is the best part about this is you're just gonna add your URL and you're gonna get customers. One of the best things is AI ad, UGC, all of that is gonna happen automatically. And then we've got email, LinkedIn outreach, SEO, competitive analysis, all of that is gonna happen. So that's what's super exciting about this. Also, I'm trying to upload my video on YouTube. I'm also uploading an app on App Store, some of my apps. So that's also something that's going to appear here. So we're going to have it. And right now I'm trying to create some fancy images. As you can see, this image is also really good. I'm going to add this. Yeah. Can you make this image? Can you make this image seem like it's coming from top? So let's see. Okay. But yeah, we know it's going to mess it up. So yeah, I'm just going to take this because I needed this. I'm just going to download it. And this is downloaded. And we're going to take the second one. I think this is a big challenge for my computer, but I'm happy if it does it because we need it properly. I can see my computer getting slow. This is I think this was great. I love the video. I do not know if the stream is already taking the video, but I have to be honest, I just love it. And by default, we don't want this 3D. I think that's one of the problems that we got here. That's something that we're gonna fix it. Oh, I can even put text here. Spotlight. What is spotlight? Okay, no, not interested. But if you're going here, camera size, okay, we're just gonna change camera roundness. We don't like it. We're just gonna do this. Mirror camera is also happening. Okay. Yeah, I think this adds just a level of natural. Okay, so if I go into the settings, I think I really love it. About language, can I change my settings? Okay, if I'm going in my settings, now zoom effect, it should be 2D zoom, always record settings, always modern recording engine, traditional now, high quality, recording quality, always pre-recording countdown, okay. Hide desktop icon, I do not know what that means. And then I can make a lot of different videos. And you know, I could just be the guy who's making a lot of videos about this. So that's super fascinating. I'm not gonna lie, guys. So we're just gonna, if I'm adding by default something, wait, because this is at the end of the day, I guess. Hmm. But where are we? Manual. Okay, I'm significantly impressed. I'm not gonna lie, with Focusy, I could just record it properly and it would just do it. Let me just guys go and see if there are any comments here. I hope we could also check later. We could also check later how everything is working. But this is super exciting. If you ask me the truth, if I'm being very honest. Let's check this. I love this train. Excited about it. Super excited. Yeah, I think another thing I want to say, I feel like that color is so much better. We need to go more towards this color. I think this is gonna become my default color. Um, yeah, I think neon is always good. What color is this? Can I check it right now? If I'm okay, this is the color that we want, and we're just gonna go here. And guys, I'm also getting another camera at the back so that it looks significantly better. I think that blue, that purple is one of the biggest purples if you've ever seen. So we're just gonna avoid it. And I feel like this color can be much better, but let's see. So right now when I go inside this stream, I'll just open some music. I hope you guys like it. I need to always have Safari open in case I want to do it. It's really loud. Okay, it was really loud, but now we fixed it up. If I'm being honest, okay, let's go. Let's check it out. So if I had to duplicate this, because we're also designing everything here, as you guys can see, maybe I've got this image with me. I do not know. I think it was it. No, it was not it. So we're just gonna go here and we're gonna check it out properly. And once we check it out, I think that's gonna answer and solve the problem that we're facing right now. Okay, so this is a color. But do I feel like this is exactly that color? I don't think so. I think it's a different color. It's a wrong color. So how do I find this color? I think this is gonna be obviously later. It's super easy after this video. Nah, it's not the same color, bro. Okay, let's see how because obviously it can look really different. Yeah. Yeah, look at this. So it's looking a bit different there. What color is this? 1 second. Ah, yeah, maybe I could just check it because I could put graceful, all of that here. Ah, we could even have our own background. So I feel like that's gonna be really crazy. Yeah, I think live streaming is the biggest thing right now, and we're gonna be the best at this. Oh, this is also an excellent color. I feel like this blue is also such a good color. So yeah, we're just gonna add a lot of it, and we're gonna keep on creating a lot of different videos to just tell you which product is working good and which product is not working good, and then we can take it from there. So I think that's good. No, I think I like this darker version of it. How do we choose a color? Okay, I don't know how to choose a color. Oh, let's go. Okay, what is it? Ah, bro, what color is it? It's not giving me that color. Yeah, obviously I could just take a screenshot of it. And if I take a screenshot of it, obviously, and I just upload it somewhere there, let's go. Tell me guys what you're building. Guys, what you're building. This is gonna be fascinating. See, that's the thing. I see this thing a bit cooked because everything in that stream that comes is a bit stretched. We do not like it. We don't want anything coming so stretched. And I feel like Vibe Club and all of that, I've gotten a bit tired of this color, which is a testament of how pretty that color is, if you're being honest. But yeah, so I got this. Let's go. Okay, we're gonna steal this color, whatever it is. We're just taking this, and let me do this. You know, my mom and dad always say they do not understand what I'm doing. This is, not gonna lie, not the happiest feeling. Actually, it's the happiest feeling ever. Tell me in comment what you guys think. Is it also, do your mom and dad actually know what you all are up to? I feel like my mom and dad have no idea what I'm doing. They're like, what? You streaming? What does that mean? What do you mean streaming? This looks like a scam artist if you say you're a streamer. I'm not gonna lie, a lot of people, if you meet a girl and you tell her, hey, I'm a streamer, she's just gonna think you're a proper loser. So you just have to make something up. Even if you say you're an entrepreneur, I'll be honest. If you tell somebody you're an entrepreneur, it's like, oh, you have to be a proper loser. And a lot of you might be thinking, oh, this is like exaggerated. But honestly, it is not. Everybody thinks you're a loser. Because everybody pretends to be an entrepreneur. So that's the thing. So it's like by default, it could be like, hey, you don't even have a job. It might come across as if you don't have a job if you say you're an entrepreneur. It's like they say everybody's an entrepreneur these days. So that's why. I don't blame them though. It's not their fault. Yeah, I think we like it, but we don't like it because I think it's not as dark as I'd want it to be. I think purple is a bit too much, or maybe let me just see. Let me just see. What color is this, guys? I love this color. So we are just gonna go in there and we're gonna try to get this. I know a lot of you guys might be thinking, wow, is this what is happening? Oof. Home to vibe clubbing. Which one is better? I think this is much better. It's not too much. I don't think you can have logo too much, if I'm being honest. That's the thing. I think this is too much, even though I like it so much more. Okay, so now we're just gonna go. I feel like, okay, let's go. We're just gonna change this. So guys, this is not just about vibe coding. Obviously, this is also about building a startup. So I hope you don't mind me doing all of this in front of you. This is part of startup, when you. Okay, I think it is. I think the color is a bit dull. I think both colors are a bit dull. So we don't, yeah, we kind of like it. We don't hate it. That's the important thing. Guys, tell me in comments. Do you think you guys are good at good at design? I feel like I'm the worst when it comes to design. Okay, so the good thing is if we can do it, then I can just start my day and start filming a lot of different videos, and then we're gonna have 10-hour streams every day. So I'm gonna wake up in the morning. I'm gonna start my stream, and we're gonna continue these streams forever. We're gonna build all these games. We're gonna have a camera at the back. We're gonna have a mic. We're gonna have everything there. So yeah. Okay, guys, let me just make my thumbnail because I wanted to make it and I told ChatGPT to make it. I'm gonna put it in the list of my tasks. Do my thumbnails. Okay, do my thumbnails. I think just getting a thumbnail is already a proper win. Okay, and then we've got it done. Okay. My plan is even in this year when I have meetings, I'm just gonna have meetings on a different screen. I'm gonna start sharing something different. Maybe I'm gonna start sharing a video. But my goal is that at the end of the day, if we are streaming, if we are sat there, we are not gonna, yeah, I'm gonna mute it properly, but I'm just gonna sit here and it's gonna be a proper stream. I think we're not ending these streams because we want them to be the best. We're gonna learn, we're gonna keep on improving, and I think it's more about reps when it comes to streaming because I'm proper, even though I'm not that new to content, but I feel like I'm not a successful content creator so far. So I think that's no problem. Your boy's getting like 20 likes. Yeah, 20 likes on his streams, so it's not enough. Or my videos. If you can say, if you want to look at my analytics, look at this. 46K, which is how viewers find my content. Okay, that's good. Summarize my latest video performance. So let's see how people are deciding. Short feed 50%, browse feature. Oh, 13% coming. Wow. Short feed in your primary discovery channel. YouTube search drives highest while it ranks second in views. over. So optimize for search. Okay, so we're just gonna create daily a lot of different videos for on every topic which is coming out, and once we know about it, we're gonna test out every topic, and once we talk about it, we build it out. Then we're also gonna create LinkedIn posts. We're gonna share everything, and I feel like this whole thing is not just gonna be, it's also gonna be about content. I feel like there's no point in doing these things without focusing crazy like a crazy person on content, and I'm gonna post it everywhere. YouTube, LinkedIn. That's the most important thing. Okay, last 14 views. Okay, that's those are the number of views. Live count 1429. It's crazy. You know, not gonna lie, one day this is gonna be a million or at least 100K. I feel like million in my niche is a bit too much. But I feel like if I sort this out, this is gonna be good. I feel like in order to win on YouTube, I need to make a lot of content. I need to be the first guy who's bringing in all the news. Um, is that gonna happen? How do we make it happen? That's something that we have to sort out. But yeah, if I do that, then school communities are gonna work, my startups are gonna work. So I think that's what I'm gonna do all the time, and we're gonna make a lot of videos. And yeah, I'm setting up my whole studio here. I'm also gonna get some proper air conditioning because these devices are gonna get really warm. So I have to set that up. Internet is coming. Everything is coming. I feel like everything is coming together. And I'm also going to paint this wall at the back so that it looks even more exciting for everybody. And then just by being sat here, I feel like I could do a lot more. I could do a lot of content. I could talk for a long time. I could just do another 100 things. So yeah, that's going to be good. And we're going to film content like crazy, and we're going to post everywhere, and we're going to teach. Yeah, I just want to be 24/7 content machine. This is content machine. This is not just building startup. This is about being a content machine, 12 hours of the day. And then we're gonna see how it works. So yeah. And by the way, Twitter only allows, or X only allows 8 hour streams. I think that's not good. 6 hour streams. I think that's not good enough. We need 8 hour streams. Because when we are on all platforms, we're gonna have like eight hour streams. And we're gonna post on Cake, we're gonna post on Twitch everywhere. So yeah, it's about to get fascinating, and we're also going to build a game. So you might be thinking, what kind of game? It's going to be an entrepreneurship game because that's what we are focused on. It's a game for vibe coders. It's a game that everybody's going to love. So it's just going to focus on vibe coders who want to do entrepreneurship. And once they're doing it, we're gonna do everything else. So yeah, fascinating. Yeah, let me go grab some water because as you understand, speaking here this long actually gets you thirsty. Uh, Perfect. I got it. Perfect. It's AI. I think this is AI. So I'm just getting new internet, and they just keep on answering me with the same message. I'm like, at first I was thinking either the guy is extremely not the brightest person that you're going to meet in your life. But now I'm thinking maybe it's not that. It's I'm talking to AI, and it's one of the worst models. Maybe I could fix their AI for them. That's not going to be that bad. Okay, so guys, my goal for right now is to first fix this thumbnail. This is really important because and you know we are a different platform, if I'm being honest. And oof, I have to make a video. Do this here video. Okay, so I'm doing this. Fix YouTube thumbnail. I think we're just gonna go here. Now Grok is actually not as good as you think. But Grok has gotten such hard limits now, which is not one of my favorite things, if I'm being honest. Grok is just properly cooking it. Not my favorite thing ever. So yeah, we're just gonna man, I have so many YouTubes which are open. Okay. I love it. I love it, but can you do it from side angle? Side angle. Also add some light to it. Light to it right now. It's very dark. Okay, let's see. So we're just gonna take this. I do not know, but I think I already properly downloaded it. Um, okay, so my Chrome died actually. I've got 48 gigabyte RAM, but my core Chrome decides to die when it wants to die. Set as default. What do you mean? I've been using Chrome almost 100 years now. What do you mean default? Okay, let it all open. We're just gonna shut it down, all of it here. We're live streaming. Okay, we're also gonna check what's the internet because we're sorting everything out here. And soon I'm gonna get excellent internet 1.2, which is extremely bad, as you can see. So yeah, that's it. I'm playing on hard mode, guys. Here is it okay? 13 Mbps. Okay, it's not that bad. I'm gonna have soon 7.0 here. That's what I'm gonna sort out in the next 2 days so that we get the best internet. And we're gonna drink a lot of cola. Sorry to say, guys, it's not healthy. My mom is gonna hate me. But I feel like I need to drink a lot of Coca-Cola in order to survive and do this much of work. Okay, this app thing we're gonna sort out later. So we've got this. I get it. And now I'm just gonna go into the downloads and we're gonna find it. So if I go here, ChatGPT image today at 136. Okay, this is not a bad image. This is it. I think this is what we need. I think I need to push this image here. Okay, we're gonna duplicate this always. Okay, amazing. This image is coming in here. So yeah, this is not about just vibe selling. Guys, we're gonna make 1 million easily this year. And this is the path, exactly how I'm doing it. Actually, I don't know if I told you guys ever, but I'm also gonna be leaving Germany this year because I'm not gonna spend any time there. So I think it's a good time to just leave Germany right now. Is this good? GPT 5.5 DeepSeek. Okay, this is good. Yeah, can you just upload this image? Because I'm not going to be spending any time in Germany. Or I'm just going to go meet my friends there from time to time, but that's it. I don't want to be too long there. Because we've got a lot of other cool things to do. That's why, guys. Okay, you know what I'm super happy about? I'm not going to lie, that my voice has to be significantly better now. So if I go here, if I remove this, okay, this is it. Okay, guys, this is not bad if I'm being honest. Align, bring it always forward. Layer, bring to front. Okay, guys, I'm becoming a streamer. Okay, this is, wow, this is also, yeah, because this is going to be background. Send to back. Okay, this is amazing. So this is gonna, yeah, I think this looks so much better. Okay, can I add a background here? Okay, this is it. We're giving it that. But I think this is too much. Okay, if I give it a border, what happens? If I say I'm giving it a border and the color of the border uh, is something like this, which I don't know if it's a good idea. Oh wow, this makes it good or bad. Guys, tell me in comments if you think this has gone worse. Last thing we want is this thing getting worse. The lines. How do you guys like my design skills or editing game? Is it something which is interesting? By the way, I was really happy because yesterday one of my friends was actually checking me in this stream and I was not expecting, because yesterday was 1st of May, and 1st of May, if you're in Germany, you know 1st of May is just about partying. It's about demonstration, it's about partying, and everybody's just partying, you know. So it's like and she joined my stream, so that made me super happy. I'm not gonna lie. And I didn't know that was a proper surprise, so that made me proper happy. You know, it doesn't take that much to be happy. As you can see, if I could just, you know, I have to say this looks so pretty. Okay, I think it's already very good. Whew. Okay, this is live. We're gonna have it like this. Yeah. So we're just gonna make it move also there. And you know, I realize you gotta tell your friends a lot of what's going on more in your life. You know, I feel like I should do that more. Okay, this is not gonna, guys, I promise, it's not gonna turn into a therapy session. Okay, boys, let's see. Okay, so we're just gonna add a background here. You know, my dad wants me to become a vlogger. That's like one of the craziest things ever. I can't believe my dad would be telling me, hey, why don't you become a vlogger? That's the last thing I'd expect my dad ever to say. That's the last thing you'd expect a brown father to ever say. Send backwards. Hey, why don't you become a vlogger? There's no brown dad who'd ever say this, but my dad said it and I was surprised. And he's a proper alpha kind of male, so it's like you'd never expect that. But yeah, but he watches a lot of vlogs, so that's a bit different. Okay, it's not different. It's just like he's like, hey, I should be a content creator. I think it's also because he doesn't get what I do all day. Okay, day 13. We need to add a color which is our color. I don't know if it's our color. But it can't look like it can't look absolutely insane. That's also one of those things. Guys, I'm not gonna lie. You guys already know I'm not the best when it comes to design. Actually, I'm the best. Look at this. This is good. This is some good stuff. You know, I've got some friends who are so good at content, who are so good at, who are so funny. I always tell them, hey, they should become content creators because they're so funny, they're hilarious, and they become friends with everybody. You meet them, everybody likes them. They instantly fall in love with them. So I'm always thinking these guys should be actually content creators. They do really good. And I think my dad thinks the same about me. So that's the thing. So I'm trying to do more content, as you can see. Not more. We're gonna do daily content. We're gonna be all the time here. We're gonna make the best vibe coding content which is out there. Easiest. So guys, today I'm gonna tell you about this. This is one of the best. And we're gonna bring more authenticity. We're gonna tell people why. Okay. Okay. Does it disturb you that it's overlapping like this? Okay, I think it's excellent. I think this thing has to come a bit down, please. Okay, I think this is the best image that I could ever come up with, so it's okay. Okay, we're downloading all of it and we're gonna see. So the first thing is done because we wanted a thumbnail come in here. So this is gonna come properly. And yeah, very proud. Download. Okay, I asked those guys, okay, so I'm just gonna go into my video. I don't know if you guys can see it. What's in my mouth? So James, because the mic is almost on my mouth, that's why. uh, I listened, and then I was like, okay, I need to really sort it out. But yeah, you know what I'm excited about these days? I'm excited about streaming. I think every day coming on this stream is going to be one of the most exciting things ever for me. Um, I'm also going to tell my best friend my idea about this. Okay, guys. This week is, 1 second, guys. I have to see something because I have to apply for Y Combinator. And we're going to apply to Y Combinator deadline. Y Combinator deadline. Okay. So it's 4th of May. Oh, scheiß drauf. Okay, so tomorrow I have to apply for YC 100%. But I could use AI to help me because I've applied so many times to YC, so YC already knows. AI already knows. Apply for summer by May 4th. So today is 3rd of May. But that means, let me also send it to my cousin because he also wanted to apply there. What do you say? Okay, so that's great. That's great. That's great. Okay, so that's it. So I've got this whole vibe selling which we're building, but first let me see if my thumbnail is good. I just want to first upload and put the thumbnail there. And I feel like once we have it, we are properly cooked. We are properly sorted and sorting out. I think this is already really good. Did I download it? I think the download thing didn't work that properly. Okay, I just want to download the current page. I have to say Canva is a good software, but oh, is this an old one? Where is this coming from? Okay, it's a bit different than this. I have to say this is. I think we need to remove the. Yuck. Okay, I think. Like the. Like, okay, this is it. I'm just downloading this, and then I think that we are sorted. Bear with me, guys, because you're watching me actually become a. Okay, but guys, this thumbnail is actually good. I think the only problem that I have here. Okay, we got another image. Let me just say, GPT is excellent at this. GPT is excellent at this. Okay, does this look like me, guys? Nah, this guy's got two curly hairs. Or should I just add it? Which is more catchy if he had to put it on a thumbnail? Okay, I'm just gonna put it just for the sake of it, just to see if it looks proper ugly or not. Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna go back and I'm gonna add this somewhere. Oof. Okay, let's see. Um, can you put me somehow in this place? Yeah. No, it's the same mic actually. It's just a new stand. And I think why it would sound really much significantly better, it's because I've got it really, I'm almost eating my mic here. So that's it. Yeah. Ah, super cool. Which backend APIs are you making? Guys, you know why I'm so pumped right now? Because I've got Polar Zero. Okay, let me go first. Let me see. I won't. Can you put me somehow in this place? Okay. How is it gonna put me in this? Let's see. Let's see. I want to see what ChatGPT comes up with because the GPT 5.5 model with image is actually super excellent, and we like it. We like every aspect of it, so that's why we're trying out a lot with it. And guys, you know, the past 2 3 days I've been really properly injured. I'm not gonna lie. Was proper. It cooked me like crazy because I played soccer. I never played soccer. I went and played soccer after 2 years. I used to be a good player, and I thought I was still good. But the problem is, you know, you just sometimes forget if you don't play something for two, even if you were good, you're just gonna be very bad. And I got beaten up by little kids, which was even more fun. It's actually one of the worst feelings if you're a competitive person and you see all your skills just falling off, and then you look at all the people and they're becoming better. I think that's the best feeling. The worst feeling. By best, I mean the worst. Okay. So guys, let me see what GPT came up with, because at the end of the day, how is it gonna put it in there? Oh, scheiße. No, sorry. I meant take my face, which I gave, and put it somehow in front of multiple screens as if I'm working. Yeah, fascinating. Very clear. Thank goodness. I heard so many bad things about my voice, so I'm really happy that it's center to screen. It is in center to screen. Yeah, okay, this is center to screen. But is it stretched? That's something that I do not know. Okay, so it's gonna do that. Honestly, I'm just already happy with it. I'm just gonna put it. We're just gonna remove this for now. This image is there. Okay, I'm just gonna remove this. I could also put some of my image which is looking in the. Oof. What do you guys think about this? Hmm. Love this. We love this. I think this is good. I think I'm just gonna put this because we want to get other things done in life as well. Okay, let me just put a border here, guys. So if you're gonna put a color, let's put a color. And then if I could choose a color, what do you guys think? Guys, and also I'm gonna become very fast at this thing, yeah. I'm just going a bit slow. I'm just going a bit slow right now, but you're soon gonna realize that I'm getting too fast. You'd be like, man, this guy's so fast. You'd be kind of not happy about this. Okay, corner rounding is done. This is let's go to bruv. Does it do it like this? Let's go back here. One. One. Oh, one. This is one. This is so thin. We like it. And this is also four. Why is it four, man? We don't want that big. Um Okay, I think now it's good. Now it looks a bit clean. I think we've overdone our color, as you can see. Uh, and as always, honestly, but I feel like we're good. I feel like, let me look at this image. This is the last image I'm looking at. Oh, bro, this is the worst image ever. Can you make me looking? Guys, can you make me? Can you make? Can you make the person look on the screen? Look on the camera. Look on the camera. Look on the camera. Also give. Look on the camera. Also fix the proportions. Making actually. So one friend of mine just mentioned. Yeah. Okay. So somebody just mentioned to me. They messaged me on WhatsApp that I should really fix my premium looking thumbnails. So yeah, we're gonna what do you say? Okay, guys. So we're gonna add a lot of premium things. We are also about to add multiple angles. So this is gonna look, maybe it's a bad idea if I'm being honest, because you're gonna look at my desk and you're gonna be like, man, this guy's living. I've got 100 glasses, I've got coffee, I've got a perfume, I've got everything there. You'd be like, hey, man, are you for real? Are you guys do you live like that? Okay, let's see when this image comes. Okay, damn. Okay, they made me look like a drunk guy. These eyes look like I'm drunk. I'm gonna put this. Okay. Yeah. These eyes look like either I've not slept or you know what I mean. But I'm still gonna put it, guys, because who cares? We've got no. Okay, no, I think I'm just gonna go with that one. That looks as okay, guys. I'm just going with this one because all the others are looking proper ugly. This is page 2. I'm just gonna download it. We're gonna change the thumbnail and then we're done. Then we're gonna focus on the next task and we're gonna. It's 2:30, but tomorrow morning when we wake up, the first thing I'm gonna do is actually before even I brush my teeth, I'm just gonna make sure that I get on the stream because it also hypes me up a lot if I'm on the stream. Okay, so I'm gonna just change it. And I want to keep it a bit more natural. Okay, let's see what that is. Yeah, okay, this is good. I feel like day 13, live, all of that, vibe coding, vibe selling. And I'm making vibe selling as a noun. No, as a noun, as a noun. No, verb, as a verb. And I want that when I'm writing vibe selling, I'm the first one who's appearing. It has to be vibe selling. AI video generation platform. I think this is AI video. Oh, bro, vibe selling. What is vibe selling? Is it, let me open. Do I appear as the first thing? Because I have the domain. Maybe this is why. Because they're like, oh, what is actually vibe selling? Create AI, which automatically. Nah. Okay, let me go on the landing page. We're going to go back to Codex. Guys, we're using a lot of Codex. We're becoming Codex experts because we're spending so much time on Codex. We're becoming experts in all of these things. Okay, somehow Codex is not opening up. Something has happened here, which I'm not understanding. So it automatically shut down. But okay, this is Codex. What's happening? Completed, fixed. Okay. Yes, quit it completely because you're not showing me. Oh, now it opens up. When I tell it to quit, then it starts opening up. So that's the thing. And you can look at this. So right now we've got a lot of things. We've got, guys. I'm also gonna buy some new lights. Okay, so some guy sent me that I should just look at it. One of my friends, actually, not some guy. So he sent me that I should actually, okay, can you, yeah, I think I already have the terminal, so we're gonna copy the concept here. Yeah. Terminal, okay. I don't like this, I don't like this. Can you please put camera? Can you show me working on 3 screens? And camera is from top and front. That I'm focused on my screens, Also, don't add dark theme. Add as if I'm in premium office. I need to have headphones. I want to stream 8 hours a day. So yeah, I'm telling one of my friends I want to stream 8 hours a day. He's sending me all of these links. Okay, so we're going to remove that. I think that's going to be already good. And I'm going to put it here so that it looks like not in the center. I feel like that's a bit too much. My picture should be a little bigger. I'll make the picture a little bigger because right now it's also not in 4K. Once I get proper LAN internet, I'm also sorting out that I get 4K. Okay, so this task is done. I just want to get done with this image, man, because it's taking just forever. I'm not gonna lie, my computer is right now cooked. Codex is taking how much RAM? Bro, just because I open Codex. What is happening? I failed to load actors. It says failed to load actors. Why? Why is happening? Okay, that's it. It's survey. Push to production. In the landing page, can you please make sure that when I give link or if it appears on Google, it mentions at top. What is it? Okay, there's a rev. Okay. Yeah, that sells your software for you. You build fast, revenue takes forever. Okay. So this is gonna be conversion, organic, you build it, revenue sells it. Okay, so we're just gonna sell it, create merge on AI keeps improving and growing your business. It just automatically goes and it completely starts building your business. And yeah. Yeah, I'm also creating an operating system like this, but we also want to give people opportunity that they can control it because people want to build it. I think that's AI that sells you product for you. Right, Funginix. Okay, so we're just gonna do this. I'm also gonna run Vibeselling locally, and then we're gonna say, now we can go back and look at the image that they have created. Why is Chrome? My Chrome is cooking up, man. My Chrome is cooking up. Great, I love it. But oh, I think this is good. I think this is the best one so far. And it just gives the vibe, you know. I think this is the best one. I like it. Okay, so we're just gonna do this. Guys, you know, we're also creating movies here. I'm not gonna lie to you. We are also, I think now we've got a 10 out of 10 thumbnail. I have to be honest. Whatever we do after this is just it's not gonna be as good. I refuse to believe you can just top this. This is impossible to talk. Look at this. It even make me look like a model. Okay, where's the image? My computer is cooked right now. It's going so slow. You opened Chrome, so that's how I'm going to stop closing. I'm going to start closing things. because I have such a powerful computer and this happens to it. Now I know why more people can't stream. I think it's hard for people to stream who don't have a very good computer. I think at the end of the day, it's better if more people do it, but you know, it's hard. You need I think even my 48 gigabyte RAM is not enough on my computer, but we're gonna check it. Okay, so we're just gonna go here and I'm gonna add this here. Okay, so we're just gonna add this one here. Okay, so we're just gonna add a bit of a round. You know, one thing I learned, if you want to look like a designer, always add rounds. That is it. Okay, now it looks like, damn, bro, I don't know. Now it looks perfect. Does it not look perfect? And it looks even more natural. I feel like, oof, this looks even more natural. And it looks even premium, not gonna lie. Like, you know, it even gives it a premium vibe, yeah. Okay, this is perfect, guys. I don't think this can be topped. Okay, so I've got this happening. And yeah, let me see if I should add some borders here. That's it. If I should add some borders with some color here. Do you think it's good or do you think it's too much? Oof, I think this is too much. And I think I'm gonna just not make it transparent. Okay, I think this is really good. I think this is already very good. I'm just gonna download this for the 55th time. Okay, guys, so we're just gonna go here and okay, this is downloaded now. So I'm just gonna go into my YouTube video detail. Can I customize it right now? That is gonna be properly delete. Yeah, we don't want our video to be deleted. Okay, channel section. Okay, we're gonna look at this. We're gonna say customization, leaderboard, live chat, stream customization. Anyone? Okay, slow mode, no. Allows you to keep shows engaged across multiple events. Okay, whatever that means. Trailers are share a sneak peek and get viewers excited. Upload for people to watch until content begins. Oh, we can even add a streamer. One of your public or unlisted uploads, as it has the same audience as you like. You can always select and add a trailer later. We properly get it, guys. Can I just first of all change this thumbnail? And after that, I'm available to do anything. Actually, I'm not available to do anything. I'm just gonna okay, guys, I'm gonna go grab some water and then I'm gonna be back. Now we're done with the YouTube thumbnail, so we can move on to the next task. Actually, I have to post a YouTube video. So maybe I'm gonna edit that YouTube video also here. I hope you guys don't mind it. But yeah, I'm gonna show you how I edit my videos. You're also gonna learn. This is not just gonna be vibe coding. This is gonna be vibe coding. And when I'm waiting for it, I'm making content like crazy. Because for vibe coding, we also have to wait all the time. You know? Yeah. So yeah, I think this is good. I think I'm also gonna, you know, okay, I'm just looking at the thumbnail, guys. It's proper. It's like the best thumbnail ever. Okay, so before I jump into, yeah, I think in this Cloud Code GPT, DeepSeek, OpenCode, Kimi, Quen, Local, Yeah, I'm running a swarm of agents 24/7, which people could just start looking at it, and we can brand it also exactly like this. Before I do that, let me go grab some water. And yeah, I'll have to import. I'll actually from tomorrow onwards, I'll also arrange my water here so I don't have to leave my stream properly. That's how it's gonna be. But you know what we want? We want the Chinese to actually make all of these models because China is just gonna make these models so much better for us. They're gonna make them cheaper. That's what we want. But you know, just look at this. We're testing everything out here. Kimi, GPT-5, Claude Code, Quinn, DeepSeek, OpenCode, all of them are being tested, guys. Actually, maybe I'm also gonna add OpenClaw here, and I'm also gonna add Hermes. And tomorrow I'm gonna make a video on how to install and configure Hermes because I wanted to learn it myself, and I'm gonna learn it here on the stream, and then I'm gonna make a video. So it's gonna be a lot of fun, and yeah. We could just go through all of it and we could see how this works, and that's going to be proper. Let me go grab some water. And I feel like, yeah, this is how this year is going to be. A lot of streaming, a lot of making of content, and then seeing how we're doing everything. Okay, I'm back, chat. I have to be honest, it took a bit longer. But guys, I'm I'm injured everywhere. My legs are hurting, my shoulder is hurting, my wrist is hurting. I face like everywhere there is pain somehow. I don't know why, but it is. Now I know why. I'm the cause behind all of this, so I definitely know why this is happening. Okay, so we're back. Okay, we've got Vibe Club always here. I feel like this is too much. I'm just going to remove this. Yes, I wish to remove it. We just want it a bit more clear. Okay, so we've got this image. Oh, is there a better image? Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. In the back end, can you show many other people who also have screens and are coding like proper developer kind of vibe there, but high velocity. So that's what we want to do. What we want to show. Also, guys, we're gonna cold call in these streams because this stream is gonna become the most fun thing ever. To find any customers, we're also gonna cold call them. So that's gonna be a lot of fun. By the way, guys, if I've been at work, I think I'm also gonna make this software public. This software is all about trying to manage yourself. This is what I use. I also manage my team members in it, and this software could be used specifically for that. Okay, so I'm just gonna go here and we know what's up. You okay, guys, I think for today, because it's already going to be late, I think one thing that I could do is post my YouTube video, because if I do this, then I'm a proper legend. Okay, so we're just going to look at one of the videos that I created. I created a video like 2 months ago, like two days ago. Apologies for that. That's how my brain thinks. If it's like, this is the time in AI when you feel like something has taken 2 days, it feels like two it feels like 2 hours. Okay, let me post on Twitter, boys. These streams of alien, they've changed. I can focus significantly more. I can focus significantly more and get to output. I used to be doom scrolling and overthinking things, but streaming puts me in action mode at all point. Should I stream 12 hours every day? Or do you think I'll get a burnout? Okay, so guys, I'm gonna take this, copy paste it. We're gonna just give it to Claude, because Claude is actually not that bad when it comes to content. So I'm just gonna go, I've got something. Okay, I'm gonna click on this because we're converting. How can I make sure this post, I wanna write post like this, even my context above the, what do you say? How would you improve it? Okay. Oh, I need to talk. Yes. Okay, let me look at the image. Did I say streaming? Okay, this is it. Oops. Okay, this thing is not true actually. Should I go 12 hours or do you think this is okay? So we're just gonna do this like this. Because we're gonna build autonomous companies for everybody. Okay, so let's see. How would you rewrite this for LinkedIn? Okay, I'm gonna also build so much personal software, which is gonna be good. So we're using Sonnet 4.6. I feel like it's so much better for chatting, for content creation. The text is really good, so that's what we're using. Now we're gonna go back to GPT because GPT is excellent. Okay, how do you guys like it? Do you think this is better than this? This makes me look like a CEO. I don't like the vibe. Can you make the background huge, like Wolf of Wall Street, where people are, where hundreds of people are sitting, working, or make it seem like Facebook office, like in early days when everyone was on the same floor. Give that vibe. Give that vibe. SF vibe. Okay, so it's gonna do this, so that's great. Let's see, because at the end of the day, who are the people who are gonna actually watch my streams? These are vibe coders, just like me, they're vibe coders, and you will like things like this. Okay, but I have to edit a video right now. Let me just open Focusy also. So when I go to Focusy, okay. Oh, bro, I'm not creating a preset. Okay. Okay, guys, this is already fixed Zoom power. I do not know what that is. I'm just gonna cancel it, close without saving. And now if I want to see recordings of everything that I've done on Focusy, okay. So if I go here, can I open Focusy recordings? Okay, let me just see. Oh, bruv, this is amazing. Okay, now this, now this image looks proper AI at the back. Can you fix that? Fix that. It's repetitive. I think I already have a winner, which is good. I think I already have a winner, so we're just gonna. Where do I find Focusy? Where does Focusy save everything? Let's see. I think if I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna check inside the settings. It's usually there, save location, YAR, and export location. So I haven't exported it, so I have to go to YAR movies. Can I open it here? Okay, this is it. I'm just gonna go here and I'm gonna open movies. Can I open movies like this? Now, how do I open a folder here? Okay, we're not supposed to do it, and this is also gonna mess up my RAM even more. So we're not that happy about this. Okay, can I please cross this? Okay, so I just need to go to folders. I guess I'm just gonna go here. Can we see movies? Okay, this is movies, Focusy project. And today at 1:37, no, that's it. It's on 1st of May. So this is the project that I wanted to open. Okay, so I want to replace everywhere where we've got with a zoom. Okay, so I'm just gonna, okay, so first thing I'm gonna do also, I'm gonna add some bright. Okay, can I replace this? Okay, let me just see. Page properties, delete. No. Okay, I have no idea. I think I can't edit there. Okay, because you know, the thing is I clicked when I was there. So we're just gonna go through everything. We're gonna, oh, can I not add? Okay. Okay, so we're just gonna do this like this. Okay, so we're just gonna replace this. Okay, so we're just gonna remove this. Okay, so we're just gonna remove this. We're gonna add a zoom here. We're gonna replace this. We're gonna add a zoom here. It's okay, I can go through the video and then I can decide how we want it to look like. You know, so I just have to be fast because it's already almost 3 o'clock and I'd much rather go to sleep, wake up early and get on my stream again. Now you're going to see me on the stream at all times. You're going to be like, man, why is this guy? Does this guy not have a life? Just wait, guys. Because I'm having a lot of fun here. You know, you can't beat somebody who's having fun. I'm having fun. Bro, I waited for this moment my whole life. You know, and that's how it looks like. Okay, so we're just gonna add it. And I'm gonna, okay, this is a long video of 15 minutes. So, okay, bruv. Okay, my man. Okay, just one plus. We are gonna look. Okay, I thought I was also supposed to have it. So that's how it is. I don't know what this does. We're gonna check. I think at the end of the day, the thing is we have to make a lot of videos. I have to show up here every day and gain trust of people. Then only they're gonna want to work with me together. And we are obviously building a huge company together. So I feel like it's also one of the best times ever to be alive right now, if you ask me the truth. And, you know, yeah, guys, actually, this video was so good. And I'm going to make some games here, guys. This is going to be so much fun. Okay. This is going to be so much fun. We're going to make games. It's going to be so cool. And we're going to love every part of it. So yeah, guys, I'm not just going to do vibe coding. I'm going to do vibe editing. And I'm going to do vibe selling. That's what this is all about. And if you feel like my energy has gotten a bit down, don't worry, guys. I'm going to go bring that energy because this is the best time to be alive. I never felt I never felt there's this much opportunity as I feel right now. And that actually adds a lot of excitement in my life right now. And you know, my dad is always asking me if my dad doesn't even know if I'm actually. What do I work in? I don't know. Tell me in comments if you think you also working. Okay, so that is it. Okay, this is it. So we're just gonna change. Should we make me look a bit prettier? Let's try with that. I think the background is so good. Can I zoom in a bit more? Fix zoom parts. Okay, whatever it is. Oh no, fix zoom parts. Okay, I don't think I want to fix them. This is it. We're just gonna do this. We're just gonna do this. No, I think this was a bit too much. No, I don't like it. No, I think I like the default one. I think a high contrast one is always really good. Click effect. Nah, I don't think I like it. Cursor sound, hide cursor when idle. Nah, I think it doesn't matter. Then we're gonna camera size. Okay, camera size, roundness, mirror camera size. Oh, camera size in zoom. Okay, I don't know. You decide, guys. Okay, remove background. Let's say, does it make sense to remove background? No, okay, I'm just gonna blur the background. Let's see if it's actually good. What happens? And we're gonna, okay, that thing is happening. Okay, let's see how that comes. I don't think that's gonna work as good. Flip horizontal, adjust layout. I think this layout is at excellent location. Yeah. Can I adjust layout? Oh wow, can I create my own layout? Oof. What else do you need in life? Damn, bruv. No, cancel. Can I have multiple? I'm just super curious, guys. We're just gonna go back to the default one. We're happy about. Okay, but in the one second. Okay, can I change if I crop it? Okay, can I change the layout here? So if I go here, can we change layouts everywhere? Okay, so now this is it. Okay, so it got changed here too. Hmm. Oh, you can add multiple layouts. Oh wow. Oh wow. Wow. No, I didn't say you should do it. Okay, if I say add layout, and then if I say camera layout, no, okay, we could also edit custom layout or adjust layout. If I go about doing this here, and if this one goes here, and we say, guys, that's tough talk. I'm just very particularly clear about this. Okay. Cancel. We're just gonna, can I not add apply to all default layouts? Okay, so I've got a default layout. Camera layout is like this. Add layout. Oh wow. Can I change the speed of this? Okay, this bringing it closer was one of the best decisions ever, guys. I love it. This editing, all of this is so good. Okay, so I'm gonna add a zoom here and I'm gonna do manual and we're gonna Okay, so now we're recording all of it and we're gonna be publishing it. Okay, we're gonna check in OBS. Did you hear all the voices properly? Yeah, so this is happening. One thing I have to be honest, I'm making sure my computer. Oh, one second, cancel. You think I should add some filters in the face to make me even look prettier? What is this actually? What is font color? What is this? We have fonts. I don't think we even have fonts. I thought I could add filters here, which apparently I can't. I think the thing was there, but it disappeared. Why don't I hate it? What? Why? Haha. Okay, it's... No, we're just gonna export it, guys. I think I'm just gonna export it. So after you just gonna... Oh. 180p. You know why? Because we just want to get done also. You know, you can't take a lot of these things. Like, it's good we're doing them, but, you know. Okay, we're gonna ask ChatGPT. Okay. So it's gonna find how my OBS can look like this. The background. Okay, guys, I don't know how this is done, but yeah, we'll check it out later. I just want this to be exported. Once this is exported, we're gonna move forward. And then we're gonna see where we are. Okay, let's see. Are there any people from actually? I've got 0 views on Twitter. Oh, at least we're just happy there's... Okay, that's not a problem. Okay, that's not a problem. We can sort that out. 0 is not bad. Yeah, so yeah, I keep doing okay. Okay, I'm just gonna come back. Yeah, okay, I've got half is almost done. Then we're gonna upload it on YouTube. Then we're gonna work further, and then we're gonna hit the bed. And after that, we're gonna join again, because that's what we do. We just never stop, guys. That's the plan. This year is a year of insanity, streaming like crazy, going all over the place, taking over the whole world, going to the gym, getting a 6-pack. dancing, vibe calling. I'm also gonna start calling people. We're also gonna start calling people, and that's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm gonna make a dashboard through which I could call different businesses and tell them my services. Services. We're cold calling today. We're gonna add all of that. And maybe we make a character out of it. I could make me to a character. That could also happen. But yeah, it did quite some time. Well, I honestly never felt like I'm very natural in front of camera. But I feel like if I'm doing a lot of streams, you have just no other option but to become proper natural. And yeah, I could start sharing more and more things. I'll also travel to a customer, which I'm also gonna stream. So every time I have to travel from one place to another, I'm also gonna mention. And I have to do Abmeldung. I have to do Abmeldung from Germany because I don't live in Germany. So I just want to structurally be out of the country. And maybe you see me in US, you never know. I just wanna go to a bigger and bigger place, a better place where there's more opportunities, where people want to go harder, people wanna win, people have that energy. So that's one of those things that I'm chasing. And that's how you're gonna see me. And I'm also gonna start another Instagram page where I'm gonna spam my content. I'm gonna call it content spammer. Content spammer. But yeah, whatever it is, I'm just gonna, it's 99%. Okay. So yeah, wherever it is. Okay, I think I'm just gonna get back and I'm just gonna upload this. If I open this folder, the desire. We're just gonna upload this on YouTube. Maybe this is the golden era that I could just come up here and build things. And they're just gonna happen like this. Right now it's uploading. We like it. Then we're gonna start changing a few things here and there. And then it's gonna work. It works. Let's go. I am back with the bank. We're gonna play some music today. Guys, should I start my music career? I think I could also start playing some music. I'm a bit slow because she said, "Do you love me?" I tell her, "Only partly. I only love my bed and my mama. I'm sorry." I could just start making some music here. Oh, I forgot I have to make a thumbnail. I will just start telling my team member. No, no, I have to. No, but I think I could make a better thumbnail than any person I know. I guess it's uploading. We're gonna do this, guys. You're gonna see me every day. You're gonna see you're gonna see this bloke almost every day here. That is gonna become particularly good. And then it's gonna be a lot of fun. And if you wanna build your own startup, you should be following this stream because we're gonna be vibe selling, vibe marketing, vibe coding, vibe club. That is part of our thesis. It's all gonna be part of it. So, that's the thing. If I'm streaming every day, how do I make sure that people can't see my API keys? Because I want to show all of my screens, if I'm being honest. Particularly. But the problem is, I don't want my API keys to be shown properly. You don't want to get hacked 500 times in this stream, guys. I'm coming here doing all this hard work for you, and some guy just plans on properly smashing and hacking. Okay, so before we jump into another thing, let's just try to copy some of the tutorials out there. Day 47, 24 hours, 43 people watching. 24-hour vibe coding stream, free replicate scaling to what? What does it mean? Somebody's making. What? Hey guys. Oh, free tokens for 24 hours. Oh, that's amazing. Amazing. What are you building? Tell me if you're building something, then we can build it together. Why are you coding? Okay, guys, so I've got everybody here, more people joining in. So I'm pushing to production. I'm using Codex specifically for it. I'm gonna be here every day for the next 9 months. Every day I'm gonna come Saturday, Sunday included. We're not gonna miss any day except if I'm traveling to another country to talk and visit a customer. You're gonna see me every day making coding all the time, making YouTube videos, content, posting on LinkedIn because obviously those things are some of the most important things which are required in order to be successful out there. And right now we're building Vibeselling. So from my side, I'm building this platform, which is vibeselling.com, which is AI that sells your product automatically for you. We want to make it super simple. That AI goes and finds all your customers, and that's vibe selling. Just like vibe coding, AI build your product. Now it's vibe selling. AI sells your product for you, and it does it through all of these things. So that's what we're building here. And you're gonna see me. And how's the weather in Greece? How's everything happening in Greece? Keep me up to date with that, and join us every day because we'd be streaming every day, and would love to share my journey and help you out in your journey because that adds a lot of value for everybody in tomorrow. It's busy. Okay, so I'm also gonna set everything up here properly. Let me just upload this YouTube video because we just made a YouTube video. And we're just gonna look at some of our competitors who are making also excellent videos. And we're gonna look at what titles are they using because that's gonna help us significantly in sorting everything out. So let's check Nate Huck. I think he's got some videos which are good. Let's see what his title is. You need to know. Okay, this is okay. I think this is it. It is okay. I think these titles are good. This is everything. This is everything you need to know. You need to know. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm also gonna start. I need a good thumbnail for this. So that's one of those things. I feel like I do not know if I've got a thumbnail here. I'm going to check if I've already gotten a thumbnail. Otherwise, we're going to generate it with GPT 5.5. It's actually GPT images too because it's really good. They can make some of the best images out there. And yeah, that's how it's going to be. Enia, how you doing, man? Is there something that you're specifically building? Okay, so I'm just trying to find out some template, some thumbnail that I could just have, which I could use. Otherwise, I'm also okay. I'm just gonna tell ChatGPT to create. I created a video comparing Opus 4.7 versus ChatGPT 5.5. Can you create a thumbnail for me? Use their logos because they're good, because that would increase click-through rate. Focus on improving click-through rate for me. Yes, definitely. Yes, definitely. I could do a short demo for you. But before I jump into it, I want to mention that I'm still building it, so it's not live yet. We are launching it next week. Today is the last day. Today is almost okay. It's almost the end of the week. We've got Sunday here. I'll be launching it next week. And what it automatically does, so let me just go on the website. So the vibe selling is just like vibe coding, just like AI through codes, just like AI was writing the code for us and building all the products, which we do. AI here is selling the product for us. So it's going to help us find our next 1,000 customers. So if you want to find your next 1,000 customers, if you're building a startup, if you're building a product, then you go here, you just add your URL and it automatically finds your next 1,000 customers. Now you might be thinking, how does that happen? This happens because we are gonna set up AI ads for you. We're gonna set up user generated content all instantly, automatically. We're gonna start doing email outreach to all your customers, potential customers, because we're gonna figure out who your customer has to be. We're also gonna get all their data from Google Maps or any open source places. We're also going to start messaging people on LinkedIn automatically to sell your product. We're also going to automatically do SEO for you, GEO for you. This is when you start paying inside ChatGPT. For example, imagine if you're selling apples, and if I go to ChatGPT and say, hey, I want to buy apples in Greece, it's going to show your company at the top. So that's what it's going to be. And it's going to find all your competitors, figure out what their strategies are, what their funnel is, and then just replicate that, make that better, and it's going to run all those experiments. So that's what I'm building here. It's going to be a lot of different agents. So it's going to be a lot of fun. Yeah, I hope that answered. Let me just... okay, I think this is a good thumbnail. I'm just going to take this and I'm going to add this thumbnail here for my video. So we're just going to add it and we're going to see what this thumbnail does. No, it's not made for kids. Let me publish this. Let me publish this. Public. Okay, I think I need another phone. Publish. Okay, we're also going to post it on Twitter. So it does it because we run agents. So we've got a lot of agents which automatically have their own brain. These agents, they're going to find, for example, if you have a URL of your company or if you have a website. If you don't have a website, you can also get a website or product built. But we're going to figure out what your product is. And then AI has intelligence that it can figure out how to get you those customers. Does that answer your question, Inya? Okay, next time I'm gonna go for 4K. This is the... I tested out GPT 5.5 in complete depth. In complete depth. This is everything. Yes. We also run our own models which do this. And I'm going to show you in this stream exactly how I build all of this. So everything is going to be transparent. So, and if I do not know if I'm pronouncing your name properly, but if you join us for, if you come to the next streams, you're going to also realize that I'm building everything in front. We're keeping everything public and we're not hiding anything. So that's the goal here, that we are completely public. We show everything, how I'm getting all the customers, how I'm building everything, how I'm building different harnesses, how I'm connecting with all the APIs. Like Apollo could also be one of those. I feel like they're better ones for data enrichment. So yeah, we're gonna connect with all of them, and start selling products automatically. And if you look at it, all the products which are out there, they're trying their best that they cater not just to humans but also to agents. So for example, even my product, I'm making sure that an agent can go and log in with email and password on my platform. So I would say I've got four people, but I'm the only one who's working on this. All my other team members were part of my team. They are working on other projects that we got from customers, because previously we also did some agency stuff. Previously, I also had a different startup. For that, we have customers, so they're handling all of those customers. So it's like I have to... This actually reminds me, because somebody messaged me regarding an internship, and I'm just thinking if I want them joining. I haven't replied to them back. So I have to message them regarding an internship. And guys, check out my LinkedIn if you wanna. I'm also gonna post this chat here. Okay, this is everything that you need to know. And what is your startup, Enio? Do you also have a startup that you've already built? Okay, this is 13%, so it's going to take some time. Okay, so maybe we're gonna start. So yeah, maybe a new intern is gonna join us. I just got this message from one of my somebody who wanted to join in and learn a lot about all of this, and he's gonna join in as an intern. I feel like it's an excellent idea. Maybe this can work out. I'll go through the profile because interns can also learn a lot here, and we are gonna be doing a lot of vibe coding, vibe selling. Yes. Yeah, this cloud is getting so famous right now. Oh, that's actually very good. Is it something like arcades? Or is it something like which automatically creates all the content? Okay, let's organic content. Okay, that's super good. Okay, so let's see what's the name of his new community. That's gonna be super cool. Okay, I'm gonna join this community. We're gonna see. How do I join this? Okay. Oh, I'm part of this community already. Oh, I get it. It is part of oh. Oh, it's a previous community which was converted into it. Oh wow, I get it. Ah, that sounds actually really good. You can launch it with me. You can launch it with us. You know, these are some of the products that we are building. That not I'm not building them. It's like everybody who joins in, they just add their stuff to Vibe Club, and we can build it together. And if you want help in something, I'm here to also help you out. because I'm also I've done a lot of venture-backed startups previously. I've raised a lot of capital. I've raised millions before from investors, and I understand the game properly. I don't understand content that well. That's something that I'm putting my head on. But I understand how to make a lot of how to get investors, how to sell your idea, how to sell a startup, um, and yeah, how to win customers. And if there's anything that you won't help in, would love to help you out in all of this. Cloud code, cloud code, AI developer. Not gonna lie, I also have 3 communities: AI Vibe Club, Cloud Code. Okay, I've got a lot of builder profitable. Keep, delete. Yeah, delete. Somebody reported it. No self promotion. Delete. Delete. No, sir. I also run this school community. One of them is free. Then we've got this other. We have a lot of people always joining in this community. So we've got 3 new members who want to join in. Yeah, we're gonna check where are they from. Saudi Arabia. That's excellent. I think one guy was from also. Yeah, perfect. How am I marketing my products? I'm marketing my products by making YouTube videos every day, by making a lot of content on TikTok, Instagram every day. It's the most important thing is to find out who your avatar is, who exactly is your customer. And you mentioned that you've got marketing agencies. I feel like targeting marketing agencies is not very hard. You can find the list of all marketing agencies that exist out there and start sending them emails, start sending them a sequence, sending them 5 to 10 email sequences, and you're gonna just target all of them. Also, I know some school communities which are just focused on marketing agencies, so all the owners of marketing agencies are there, which is excellent. So you could just target them. So there are many different methods. Outbound, this is email is yeah. So if in outbound you're going to have email and you're going to have LinkedIn. In inbound you're going to have really good content, SEO, GEO. Then you're going to have LinkedIn content, you're going to have Twitter content, because everybody's on these platforms. You're going to have TikTok, you're going to have Instagram. So it's like a lot of different things that you could do. I'm doing crazy. I'm messaging on LinkedIn. I'm doing so right now. My strategy is a lot focus on inbound, but I'm gonna change it also to outbound significantly, starting next week. So if you follow this stream, you're gonna say that we're gonna set up email campaigns where we're gonna start emailing people about one of the products that I'm building, and so we're also going to start sending daily LinkedIn messages to all of these people. So that's also going to happen. A lot of LinkedIn messages are going to be sent. So these are 2 methods. Then on the other side, I'm making a lot of content, just like you saw right now. I uploaded this YouTube video. So I'm making sure that the YouTube content is also getting there. So I posted it right now. We've got 2 views right now on this video, but you could see I'm targeting people here with content, and on YouTube, we are getting 46,000 views, which is excellent because I'm talking about exactly what I'm selling, so people understand it. Yeah, SMMA is a very clear one. It's very clear, and you can also see that if you, I think you could even, I think there must be so many, SMMA, and I'm gonna start writing school communities. I think there are gonna be so many SMMA communities on school, and one of the things could be to join these communities, and start posting daily there, because if you are providing a lot of value, these people are going to see, and then you can message all of them. So school allows you to message, for example, this is 30. I'm sure you can also find free ones. I think initially you should go with free ones. For example, this is free one, it has 153 members, but these other ones, you could also, just join them for 1 month and message all the 312 people. Uh, you know, you could do a lot of things. Typing in there. I'm typing. I'm typing. I'm fast typer. That's the thing. So these are my hands. This is my keyboard, and I can type without looking. That's fine. So that's the thing. Yeah, I've been a programmer 15 years, so that's the reason. I've been building AI models. I've been building many web applications. I've done a lot of it, but now I only do vibe coding because it's so much more fun. And yeah, so that's how it is. But yeah, also, are you part of school? Maybe this is my free school community. Maybe you could just join in, and you could also message me here on school if you have any detailed questions. And I'm also going to mention when I'm live streaming. So check this out. And yeah, today's I never posted Claude versus 4.7 versus ChatGPT 5.5. So I'm just going to look at what is. So we're just going to go and we're going to grab the link from YouTube. And I'm just going to find this link. Okay, so we're going to just add this. So I'm also posting a lot of content here. I already wrote this one. See, I'm also live here. I'm also gonna, from tomorrow onwards, I'm also gonna join. Where is did I not post it here? I'm also gonna join Kick and Twitch. I'm also gonna start streaming there. But yeah, okay, I got it. I tested out. So, school is, you can also build your own school community where you can get all of your target audience in there. So, for example, I've got all my school communities are really my potential customers, people who want to join us. And at the end of the day, you have to give them a lot of value. And once we give them value, oh, I'm about to go to sleep because I'm streaming since 12 days, I think, almost 12 days, and I'm streaming daily 6 hours. I want to stream 6 hours, 5 to 6 hours daily for the whole year, maybe even 12 hours, even 10 hours. My goal is to stream a lot. And I want to make a lot of YouTube videos because that's also, I'll be honest, I do it because it's also marketing. You ask me about marketing, it's also marketing for me. Streaming is a marketing engine. And if you like streaming, if you think you want to do it, I think it's also a marketing channel, because my goal is, with my streams, everything that I've learned, I want to give it to people. All the knowledge that I have, I want to give it to people because it builds a lot of trust. And once you have a lot of trust and you want to buy things, you always end up buying things from people that you trust. That's the thing, because they're good. They've been in the game for such a long time, and they might be 2 steps ahead of you, and they can teach you these 2 steps. So that's it. So streaming is a marketing channel for me. You were asking how am I marketing my startup. Streaming is one of those channels. Twitter is one of those. LinkedIn is. YouTube videos is. I wanna post daily 2-3 YouTube videos even. So you're gonna see me daily posting a lot of YouTube videos. So today I started. The last one was before we were posting in April also 1 to 4 videos. But my goal is that I post daily 2 YouTube videos, and then all the views that we are getting, it's exactly the customer. So uh, it's exactly for the person who's my target avatar. Just like for you, it's SMMA. So yeah, you need to have content which actually attracts your target audience, and that's what I'm doing for one of my for my main product, Vibeselling.com. It's vibe coders. So vibe coders are, I see it's also later. I'm based in Germany, in Pakistan, in KSA. So right now I'm in Pakistan. I'm gonna be soon in Saudi, and then I'm gonna go back to Germany, and then I'm gonna start streaming from there. But usually I spend 10 months in the year in Germany, and then I'm thinking about leaving Germany, maybe go to US. So my plan is maybe I go to San Francisco and then spend 10 months in a year in San Francisco, because yeah, I feel like I could learn so much more there. So that's the goal. I just want to find the most important place on planet Earth, and I just want to be there because it's so. I just want to be there. Yeah, yeah, because it's like you want to be at the best place. And also, why do I want to go to San Francisco? I really want to show you something. This is the reason why I want to go to San Francisco. I'm also going to post on Twitter. I want to be in Bay Area because all the big companies are there. Look at this. That's why I want to be in Bay Area. SF. Okay, this is so badly pixelated. Okay, I'm just gonna. That's it. Look at this. That's so excellent, man. You know, it's good to go back to your own country because you have, when you're starting again things, I realize it just adds so much value because you have your parents there, you've got your family there, there's a lot of support, and it's also one of the best times right now to be building. So that's the thing. You don't want to be employed. This is not the time to be employed. I don't think so. I think we are living in one once in a lifetime era. And it's also so much more fun. It's so much more fun. And we can do everything. Look at this. Yeah, we can be programmers, we can be marketers, we can do everything. The only problem right now is time. We don't have enough time. And that's why I think it's an excellent decision. Sweden is also super expensive, has a lot of taxes, and I do not know what the job market there is, but I think it's an excellent decision to go back to Greece, be around your family, build everything, build all those skills, and save time. I'm also right now, because I'm in Pakistan, I'm at my family's home. It's so much easier. I'm not gonna lie. I've got food. I've got everything here. It's like I don't even have to bother with anything. I just come here and start talking on this tree, and this whole studio is already set up. So it's so much so good. But I'd recommend you to apply for Y Combinator. So tomorrow is Y Combinator's deadline. I recommend you to apply to Y Combinator. I'm sending the link here because if you get into Y Combinator, it's excellent. Tomorrow is the deadline. So look at this. May 4th, apply to Y Combinator. Oh, amazing, amazing. Do that, do that. We have to get to tomorrow's deadline. I'd recommend you to actually apply for Y Combinator. I've applied to YC Many times actually. I've applied, I think 4 times. I'm not sure. I'm going to show you my applications. So if I go log in, yeah, actually, let me log in because I've applied there multiple times. I never got in. I gave interview twice. I always got rejected after the interview. So let's see. We're going to look at my applications. If I go here, where can I look at my applications? If you want to, please submit your application online. Previous applications. Look at this. 2 days left. So my previous was with drums, not accepted. Spring, not accepted. Culturally, not selected. Not selected. Not selected, not selected, not selected. Amazing. Thanks a lot. Was great. Was great to see you. I'll also hit the bed now, and then I'm gonna wake up and get to stream and join me tomorrow, and then we can also submit Y Combinator application together, and I can also share with you my previous ones. So it didn't succeed, but we got an interview. So I think yeah, I'll show you that I got an interview here because they rejected us. If I write Y Combinator, do I get it? I don't know if these emails are supposed to be private, but I do not care. We're streaming and I want to show everybody everything. So they, this week, no. Your Y Combinator application. Oh, thank you for applying. We saw it was not selected. Okay, this was not selected. Your Y Combinator application. So if I search for it, I'll share all my applications. Your Y Combinator, okay. Thanks for applying. We saw so many rejections. Submitted. So, oh, this is submitted. Okay. Oh, they also sent you the application here. Any tips for the application? I think it's so good to get recommended by other people. I forgot. Other people who have done YC, they can recommend you, and then it becomes super easy. Then it becomes significantly easier. So I remember I got 5. So that's the tip for Y Combinator, and I forgot to do it for me too. So, but you can also do it after submission. So try to find other YC founders from previous batches. If you have got them, get on a call with them. Even if you don't know them, you can just message them on Twitter and say that you want assistance with your Y Combinator application. And they are going to say yes to you because Y Combinator community is actually super good. They help each other a lot out because they've gotten so much from the community that they feel obliged to actually help others. And you're applying there. So at the end of the day, they are happy to help you. And then you can ask them if they like it, if they want to apply, if they want to recommend. And if they like you, they can recommend. And if they recommend you, if 3-4 people recommend, then you automatically get an interview. So that's one of those tips. Thank you for mentioning because I forgot about that tip myself and I should also do it. And honestly, I remember, yeah. So I'm going to message all of these people and then we are going to, one second, let me show you that I got an interview at YC. At YC. Okay, let's see. Oh, wow. Oh, you know why? Invitation. What is this? Okay, this is something different. Look at this. In Gemini, I use Gemini. I love Gemini because of this. Oh, I love it. People hate Google, but look at this. Look at this. Please find me my emails where I got invited for interview at YC. It was a few years ago. And for this, I use Gemini. So this is something that I love. Oh, re-interview. See, I even got a re-interview. I once gave an interview at YC. It was 10 minutes. After that, they called me for a re-interview. Thanks. Thanks a lot. I'll show you everything that I can show, actually. So this was a bit long time ago, but look at this. Y Combinator invitation to apply, invitation. And you know what happened once to me? So this is my email, as you can see. What they did is I had a 10-minute interview. That interview went excellent. And I was expecting they're going to reply back because they reply back to you on the same day. They replied back and they said, we'd like to get a bit more information about your company with different interviews. They all thought that they were not that they're not the right people to interview us. So after 10 minutes, they called us for another interview, and that was really stressful. And then we didn't get in, but it's like, I'm going to apply again. We're going to keep on applying till we get to YC, you know? So that's going to be amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna end the stream now. I think I've been streaming for a few hours, but it was really amazing. I'm happy also that you joined School Community. I'm gonna mention every time I'm streaming, and tomorrow we're gonna fill out Y Combinator application, and we're gonna build out the product further. And I'd love if you join again, because it's a lot of fun, and I want to build a big community here. So that's gonna be fun. Till then, enjoy. I'll just message you also. I think I've got you here. I'll message you also here. Then we are connected. 1 second. Chat. Okay, so now we are connected also. That's going to be amazing. If you're in school, you can see me here. Perfect. Perfect. Now I'm going to leave, and we're going to end this stream. And it was an excellent stream. Perfect.